In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 3 easy but very effective juice recipes to cure headaches and migraines. Migraines can be incredibly debilitating, and finding natural ways to alleviate the pain is essential. With these lesser-known but highly effective suggestions for migraine relief, you'll feel better in no time. Before we dive into the specific foods, let's briefly understand what happens during a migraine and how our body reacts to it. Migraines are often triggered by various factors such as stress, hormonal changes, or dietary choices. During a migraine, blood vessels in the brain constrict and then expand, causing severe pain and other symptoms. Nutrition plays a crucial role in managing migraines. Certain foods can help alleviate symptoms by promoting proper blood flow and reducing inflammation. Here are the top foods you should consider incorporating into your diet. 1. Ginger, nature's anti-inflammatory. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for headaches and migraines. It contains compounds that inhibit inflammation and relax blood vessels, helping to reduce the intensity of a migraine attack. 2. Leafy greens, a magnesium boost. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in magnesium, a mineral known to relax blood vessels and reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Magnesium also helps in muscle relaxation, reducing tension often associated with headaches. 3. Almonds, vitamin E for relief. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which can help reduce the frequency and duration of migraines. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress that can trigger headaches. 4. Beetroot, nitrates for blood flow. Beetroot is a natural source of nitrates, compounds that dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to the brain. This can help reduce the intensity of migraines and their duration. 5. Pineapple, bromelain for inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the head and neck area, where migraines often strike. 6. Mint, soothing and relaxing. Mint is known for its calming and soothing properties. It can help relax tense muscles and provide relief from headache-related discomfort. Now that you know the science behind these migraine-relieving foods, let's put them to good use with some delicious vegan recipes. Ginger and spinach smoothie. For this juice, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, peeled, 1 banana, half a cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional. To make the juice, add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy the migraine-fighting goodness immediately. Beetroot and carrot juice. For this juice, you'll need 2 medium beetroots, peeled and chopped, 3 carrots, peeled and chopped, 1 apple, cored and chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 lemon, peeled, and half a cup of water. Instructions: place all the ingredients in a juicer or blender. Blend until smooth, adding water if needed. Strain the juice to remove any solids. Sip and enjoy the headache-relieving benefits of this vibrant juice. Refreshing pineapple and mint headache relief juice. If you're looking for another delicious and effective juice to help treat those pesky headaches, this pineapple and mint combination is a perfect choice. Pineapple is not only a sweet tropical fruit, but also contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Mint, on the other hand, provides a soothing and refreshing element that can alleviate headache symptoms. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups fresh pineapple chunks, about 1 small pineapple, half a cup of fresh mint leaves, 1 cucumber peeled and sliced, 1 lime peeled and segmented, 1 teaspoon honey or agave nectar, optional for added sweetness. Ice cubes, optional. To make the juice, put all ingredients into a blender. You can add honey or agave if desired. Blend until smooth. Add water if it's too thick. For a smoother texture, strain the juice. Pour into a glass. Garnish with mint and sip slowly. Add ice cubes for extra coldness if desired. If you want to find out more awesome recipes and tips to boost your health and feel better, check out this next video.